Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you mailings. In mailings, what do we have first? We have envelopes. In order to create an envelope, what I do, I simply click on envelopes, and as I click on envelope, as you can see that now I have a window. First is asking the delivery address and second is asking the return address. For example, as you type your delivery address and return address, after complete this both, what I do, I simply click on A to document. As you can see that now I have an envelope. Getting me? So in order to create an envelope, what I do, I simply use envelopes. Then what do we have? We have labels. As you know that labels are very important. So in order to create a label, what I do, I simply click on labels. As I click on labels, as you can see that now I have to type the address, and after complete this, I will go in options and I will select 30 per page and definitely and click OK, and I will click on new document. I cannot do this now because it will affect my you can say screen recorder. If you want to use labels, so what you do, you simply click on new document and it will give you labels in page 30. Okay, then the most important thing in mailing, what do we have? We have select recipient. Before we go for that, I want to tell you something about mailing. For example, I am the boss and I have a job and I have 100 CVs, and I want to tell to everyone that okay, that I have a job and requirement everything. So definitely if I'm not using mailing, so what I do, I will definitely first tap the content. Okay, this is your time, you have to be there, these documents are necessary, and okay, you have to be there. Getting me? All the content I will type, and after tapping the content, what I do, I will manually, if I'm not using mailing, so what I do, I will manually I will go and every page I will type the name and the father name, address, name, father name, address for 100 people. But definitely it is not a good idea, it is not a good practice to do, because we have mailings. So what I do, first I will click on select recipient, and I will click on use type a new list, because we have not typed anything yet. So what I do, I simply click on type a new list. As I click on type a new list, first is asking the title. So the title is, if you're not getting, don't take tension. Okay, after complete this, everything will be easy for you. Okay, so job, and I will definitely I need new entry, new entry, new entry. Okay, fine, and definitely title will remain same. Job, and definitely name, first name I say Naveed, and then uh, Kamran, Hussein, and Ali. Okay, it is fine. After giving the name, you can give more, you can fill more columns, because but I don't have time, that's why I'm not filling, I'm just putting the you can say title and first name. And if you want to you can say delete or add one new column, so what you need to do, just simply click on customize column. Here you can rename the column, delete the column, and add the column. And if you want to delete any entry, you can delete the entry. If you want to add new entry, so you need to click on new entry. And if you want to find anything, so you need to click on find. After giving this all, what I do, after filling this five you can say rows, what I do, I simply click on OK. As I click on OK, now it's asking, okay, where do you want to save these names, because definitely you would like to use this name over and over. So now it's asking that where do you want to save this name. I say I want to save this name on desktop with the name database. Okay, say yes, and as I say yes, save, you can see that more options have been opened, and here I will type the content. As you know, this is a formula, it will give us usage lines, and I will click on insert merge field, and here we have title. I will give title because we as you know that in the columns we gave the title and the first name. Okay, remember. And after giving this, that's it, this is your work is done. Just the last step is remaining. Just click on finish and merge, and click on edit individual document, and asking that all, I say yes all, and just give me, okay, it's fine, okay, it's fine, uh, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so as you can see that I made you can say one content, I made content for one you can say for one person. As you can see that now I have job name for one person, job Hussein, For second, Job Ali. For third, you getting me? So you can see that even though I made one content, but with the help of mailings, what I did, I made this for three people, or you can say for everyone. Getting me? So I don't need to write. I did not need to write. You can say the content for every person. Just I have to give the name, and that's it. You can see that just I wrote these lines, and you can see these are coming with every name. Getting me? So this is the work of mailing. And if you want to use, you can say that list. So what you need to do is just simply click on use existing link, and here you have to give the path where your you can say the list is. I say that when this is the database, and just click on OK, and as you can see that now again you are able to use you can say the list. Getting me? So if you want to change, you can change here. If you want to change the name, if you want to change the name, if you want to change the title, everything you can do here. So this is the work of mailing. Means you work for one time, but you can use it for over and over. Getting me? So this was lecture on mailing. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.